In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur to your metal clips. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up metal like you normally would, go to the left menu and select over here where it says library. Then find the clip that you want to add motion blur to. So let's go ahead and work with this one, for example. You want to press on it and then you want to select on this button that says open in editor. And then that is going to open up the built-in metal editor. Now, from here, what you guys are able to do is you're able to go to this left menu, select over here where it says VFX, and then you guys are able to go ahead and actually add like bulge and pinch or like blur, for example, over onto your edit. So check this out. We can go ahead and add it. And then it is going to begin blurring and stuff like that. And you guys can adjust it, of course. So you can go ahead and like lower the strength of it. You can also increase the quality of the image, the kernel size and stuff like that. So this is all incredibly useful. And once again, if you don't like this, then you're able to go ahead and keep on changing it and stuff like that. There are other like different things we could do. We have like a bloom effect, for example. And then in here down below, you guys are able to adjust where in the timeline you want the motion blur to actually be. So this is an incredibly useful feature and will make your video far more immersive. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.